Thank you, Lord. After all the storms I've been through, you gave me a girl who loved me even when I had nothing. Ngayon, kahit papaano, I can finally give her the things she deserves, lahat ng pinapangarap ng isang babae. I may be miles away at sea, pero araw-araw, she's the queen of my heart. All I want is to love her with everything I have and make her feel like the most special girl in the world. Para sa kanya, uuwi akong buo dahil siya ang dahilan kung bakit matatag ang bawat paglalayag ko.